Hey everyone, if you've been experiencing issues with your LG OLED screen, you're not alone. In this guide, we're going to delve into how to fix LG OLED screen problems to get your TV back to delivering stunning visuals. LG OLED screens are renowned for their exceptional image quality, but like any technology, they can sometimes run into glitches. Fear not, as we explore straightforward methods to resolve common issues such as screen discoloration, image retention, or power problems. Step 1. Check and modify display settings. The display settings on your LG OLED might sometimes be the culprit behind those odd visuals. Start by navigating to your TV's settings menu and selecting Picture. From here, you can adjust settings like brightness, contrast, and color temperature. It's a good idea to reset to factory settings if several adjustments were made previously. Factory resetting can resolve many display issues by restoring optimal input configuration. Step 2. Address image retention and burn-in. Image retention and screen burn-in are common concerns for OLED displays. To tackle this, LG's built-in screensaver feature is handy. Enable the pixel refresher functionality found in your TV settings menu, usually under OLED panel settings, and run it periodically. This tool helps recalibrate the pixels, effectively reducing the risk of burn-in. For trivial image retention, turning off your TV for a few hours can sometimes allow time for the pixels to reset themselves. Step 3. Resolving power issues. If your LG OLED screen won't turn on, start by checking the power source. Ensure the power cable is securely connected to both the TV and the wall outlet. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. If everything is plugged in properly, but the TV still doesn't power up, try disconnecting the TV for around 30 seconds before plugging it back in. Additionally, inspect if there's a firmware update available. Updating the software can sometimes solve power-related problems. Step 4. Engage with LG customer support. If the problem persists, it might be time to reach out to LG's customer support. Engage with their technical support who are equipped to handle more complex issues. Having your TV's model number and a detailed description of the issue ready will enable the support team to provide targeted assistance, possibly guiding you through additional troubleshooting steps or arranging for repairs if necessary. And there you have it. By following these steps to fix LG OLED screen issues, you can tackle most problems and restore your TV's stunning picture quality. Whether it's adjusting your display settings, addressing image retention, or resolving power issues, each step brings you closer to a seamless viewing experience. Don't hesitate to reach out to LG support for those complex cases. Remember, regular maintenance and updates are key to prolonging the lifespan of your OLED screen. Enjoy your favorite shows and movies with vivid clarity once again.